Welcome to Audio Books feature by Cloud Expert. Today we'll be talking about Azure Site Recovery. Let's understand what is Azure Site Recovery Service. As an organization, you need to adopt a business continuity and disaster recovery (BCDR) strategy that keeps your data safe and your apps and workloads online when planned and unplanned outages occur. Azure Recovery Services contributes to BCDR strategy, which is called Business Continuity and Disaster Recovery. Site recovery helps ensure business continuity by keeping business apps and workloads running during outages. Site recovery replicates workloads running on physical and virtual machines (VMs) from a primary site to a secondary location. When an outage occurs at your primary site, you failover to secondary location, and access apps from there. After the primary location is running again, you can fail back to it. Site recovery can manage replication for Azure VMs replicating between Azure regions, on-premises VMs, Azure Stack VMs, and physical servers. What does site recovery provide? And what can I replicate? 1. Using site recovery, you can set up and manage replication, failover, and failback from a single location in the Azure portal. 2. You can set up disaster recovery of Azure VMs from a primary region to a secondary region. 3. You can replicate on-premises VMs and physical servers to Azure, or to a secondary on-premises data center. Replication to Azure eliminates the cost and complexity of maintaining a secondary data center. 4. Replicate any workload running on supported Azure VMs, on-premises Hyper-V and VMware VMs, and Windows, Linux physical servers. 5. Site recovery orchestrates replication without intercepting application data. When you replicate to Azure, data is stored in Azure Storage, with the resilience that provides. When a failover occurs, Azure VMs are created, based on the replicated data. 6. Keep recovery time objectives (RTO) and recovery point objectives (RPO) within organizational limits. Site recovery provides continuous replication for Azure VMs and VMware VMs, and replication frequency as low as 30 seconds for Hyper-V. 7. A rich Azure automation library provides production-ready, application-specific scripts that can be downloaded and integrated with site recovery. 8. Site recovery integrates with Azure for application network management. For example, to reserve IP addresses, configure load balancers, and use Azure Traffic Manager for efficient network switchovers. Hope you enjoyed our audiobook. For more audiobooks, please subscribe to our monthly plan in Cloud Expert category. Hey, don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.